Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great times, great vibes, let the fun begin. From the shoreline to the open blue, this journey's made for me and you. Great Lakes Ventures, come along for the ride.
Guess what I'm doing today? Yeah, I'm going ice skating. Look, there is my skates. And I'm here with Miss Abby. And that's where we're gonna do it at this nice gentleman's house. And he's preparing the ice rink, that's what you call it?
Yep, ice rink.
For us. So, hey, we're gonna get our shoes on and then we're gonna get going, even though my battery is dying. I'm gonna see what I can get on it for today. So, see ya out there. Okay, and she's off. She has left me, and I don't know the first thing to do. So, I'm just gonna set this down right there.
There you go, in front to see. Oh yeah, that's good.
Let me see if I can see you. Oh, it needs to go down like this. Ah, it's not giving me the perfect angle. Right there. And it just needs to tighten. Right there. Perfect. Stay on this side. Okay.
You just gotta remember, you gotta move with your body.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
You need to hold you?
Yeah. You can push off with your feet. Like that.
You're doing good. But you got little claws right here at the top. So you go on your tippy toes and you got little claws. What? Like that. Hold up on your butt.
I can do the glide like that. I can't glide like you. See, it just stops.
Take your line and do pink, like do this.
I can do this, but like you, that's yeah. Why that's not biting? Probably it's sharp.
Ice skating!
Okay, I have good balance, you know?
You can't weed. happening? Okay, we're gonna go find Miss Tika. We're ice skating here. We're going. Woo! It's a little chilly out here. Just a little bit. Oh. And Miss Tika's trying to do it. She's trying.
Okay.
Hey, I'm recording. She's ice skating.
Hold on.
She gotta hold on. She don't want to fall. Thank goodness she's got the little thing there. Gliding a little bit.
I can't. Let me see if I can come to you without falling.
You got it.
Oh, they do hockey?
Yep, they do hockey. Ooh, you got it.
Slippery right there. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of work. This is a workout. My favorite part is right here because I can hold on. Hey, let's do a spin.
Do a spin.
Yeah, like spin around, like they do. Like they do? Yeah, I don't know how they do it. Come. Yeah, but hold hands.
What?
Hold my hands and spin me around. You're right here. See, how do you go in that circle?
I have my legs like this, and I kind of go in, and I move my body.
Oh my gosh! You have to have balance for that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Hey. You have to go to the side right there. Okay. No, I can't do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My nose leaking. It's too cold.
Yeah.
Let's do Miss Abby because she's the pro.
Not really.
That's a pro skater there. And I'm the novice. Show them how it's done. She just did one leg. I think she just did one leg. Alright, that was fun, but now it's time to go home. I definitely need a lot more practice, but it was a great time. What you say?
Bye.
Bye! See you on next Sunday. Ice skating.